Okay, y'all, so I heard about this new product called the Scrub Daddy. This is like a scrubber. And the Tangerine, this is Tangerine Clean Paste. These two things are supposed to work magic on your pans and things like that. So we're going to try them out, and I'm going to see if it really works. Alright, so this is the pan that we are going to attempt to clean. This is what it looks like, y'all. Just see. It's kind of thick. Okay, so this little Scrub Daddy, it's the freaking cutest thing. It's really kind of rough, but you can use this even on non-stick items and it doesn't scratch. So I picked these up at Target. They are online at scrubdaddy.com, but I'm going to let Cree do the scrubbing. Here you go. All right, so I'm just going to slather this on. Let's see what it do. Let's let it do what it do. All right, just scrub that right there, Cree. Let me see now. Because, you know, these kids don't know how to clean like we do. But there is something coming off on here for sure. Oh, my arm tied. So this is what we did. I'm really a magic eraser girl. So what I'm going to do is compare. If I use the magic eraser, so it did get some of it off. I mean, it wasn't like the video I saw. It did, and it required a ton of elbow grease. So it does look better, but it ain't like the video I saw that was like all of this was gone. But you can see a difference. As you can see here, it's a big difference. Now, normally, whenever I use a magic eraser, I literally just use water. They also make magic erasers with a cleanser in it. But I'm going to go ahead and use this just to be fair to the product and see what really works. So I'm going to use this same little paste here and put it on this side. And let's see what happens, all right? All right. All right. Well, so there you have it. To be honest, the Scrub Daddy did, I think, make it look a little, and I mean a little. It ain't much of a difference. You see all that? I was expecting all of that to come off with the Scrub Daddy based on the video I saw, like I said. But overall, it still proved to be a pretty good cleaner. So here I'm just rinsing out the Scrub Daddy with some very, very warm water. This sponge is supposed to rinse completely free of any debris that gets in your sponge. You know, with a magic eraser, you typically have to throw them away after like one use. But this is something that you can use over and over and over again. The texture of this sponge changes with temperature. Definitely like the sponge though. It's kind of cool. Pick them up at Target if you want to try them out.